How to dress for a birthday party. Creating a party outfit can be a challenging process, especially for women. Shoes are one of the essential elements of a party outfit. While the choice of shoes usually depends on the outfit, high heels are compatible with both jeans and dresses. A pair of comfortable high heels can help you create a perfect combination. If you're celebrating with a simple dinner, pairing a pencil skirt or ankle-length trousers with a blouse and elegant heels will help you achieve a polished look. On the other hand, if the party is at a more lively venue with an organized event, a chic evening gown might be a good choice. Regardless, remember that it's a birthday party, so it's best to avoid going overboard and focus on elegance. For daytime birthday parties, chiffon blouses or stretch pants are ideal choices. These options allow you to achieve both simplicity and a stylish appearance. Winter birthdays, which often take place in cold weather and indoors, call for a long-sleeved dress suitable for your body shape, paired with heeled boots, for a fabulous look. What to consider when choosing a birthday party dress. Birthday parties may vary, from celebrations for children to gatherings with friends, making the choice of outfit a challenging process for women. Here are some important factors to consider when choosing a birthday party dress. Venue and atmosphere. Choose comfortable yet elegant outfits based on whether the party is held indoors or outdoors. Theme. The concept of the party plays an essential role in selecting the right outfit. Body shape. Opt for a dress that suits your body type. Even if you have a fuller figure, choose a style that creates a slimming effect. Color. Selecting a color that complements your skin tone will enhance your overall look. Season. Always consider the season when choosing your outfit. Daytime birthday party outfits. Daytime birthday parties often call for combinations of separate pieces. You can pair chiffon or lace blouses with stretch pants or pencil skirts for a chic look. Solid colored tops with mini or midi skirts are also great choices. Bright and lively colors like yellow, blue, green, red, or salmon are perfect for daytime celebrations. Evening birthday party outfits. Evening birthday parties are often larger gatherings with family and friends. Opt for simple dresses that allow for ease of movement, such as short or stretchy dresses. A strapless mini dress paired with stilettos is a perfect choice to combine elegance with comfort. Surprise birthday party outfits. For surprise birthday parties, attendees should choose casual clothing to avoid revealing the surprise. Outfits made from denim, chiffon, or linen are ideal, as are combinations of separate pieces that match the person's usual style. What to wear for a yacht birthday party. Yacht birthday parties are more luxurious events and require a more elegant dress code. Avoid overly casual outfits like those you'd wear at home. Women can opt for flat shoes instead of heels for better balance. Jumpsuits, either short or long, are more practical than dresses due to possible breezes. For men, linen pants or shorts paired with a crisp white shirt are recommended. Both women and men can maintain the yacht's elegance while ensuring comfort throughout the celebration. How should the birthday girl dress? The birthday girl's outfit is the centerpiece of the party. She should stand out and wear an outfit that highlights her role as the host. The most crucial factor is aligning the outfit with the party's theme, using coordinated colors. The birthday girl can ensure elegance and glamour by opting for one-piece outfits, such as dresses, making her the star of the celebration.